How much does it cost to get a coolant flush? If you are a teenager who just got your driver's license, you might be wondering about car maintenance. One important task is getting a coolant flush. So, how much does it cost to get a coolant flush? A coolant flush usually costs between $100 and $150 when done at a professional shop or dealership. The price can vary based on your car's make and model, your location, and if you combine the service with other maintenance, like an oil change. Dealerships often charge more, typically around $100 to $250, while independent mechanics might offer prices closer to $100 to $150. Now, what exactly is a coolant flush? This process involves draining the old coolant, which is also known as antifreeze, cleaning out any rust, debris, and contaminants from the cooling system, and then refilling it with fresh coolant. This helps your engine maintain the right temperature and prevents overheating or freezing during cold weather. For teenagers learning about car ownership, understanding coolant is essential. Coolant protects the engine from overheating by absorbing and dissipating heat. Antifreeze, a key component of coolant, prevents the liquid from freezing in cold temperatures. Over time, coolant can become acidic and cause damage to hoses, the radiator, and other engine parts if not replaced regularly. Most car manufacturers recommend a coolant flush every 2 years or about every 30,000 miles. However, it is always best to check your car's owner manual for the exact schedule. Signs that your car might need a coolant flush include overheating, a sweet smell from the engine, visible debris in the coolant, or leaks under the car. While you might think about doing a coolant flush yourself, it is not the best idea for beginners or teens. Used coolant is toxic and dangerous to both humans and pets, so proper disposal is essential to avoid harming the environment. It is safer and often more convenient to have a professional handle the job. In summary, expect to pay around $100 to $250 for a coolant flush, depending on your vehicle and where you get it done. Keeping up with this maintenance helps your car run smoothly and prevents costly repairs down the road. For teenagers, learning to monitor coolant levels and understanding when a flush is needed is a smart step toward responsible car ownership.